Surfing session 49. It is 2021 and it's a great time to learn something new. I'm 48 years old and I've been learning to surf for 6 months so far. I have taken some lessons in the past, but this year I've been trying to learn as much as I can from various YouTube surfing videos that provide instructions on how to paddle, how to pop up, catching unbroken waves, and using trimming and carving turns. I started out just going straight in white water, practicing my pop-up, but every time I would challenge myself to try something new, like turning at the end of each run, or shifting my weight forwards or backwards, or rotating a little bit into turns. I started out with an 8'6" softtop surfboard that my neighbor found on the sidewalk to learn to pop up on. Then I started to learn to turn, and I got a Creative Army Jumbo Jet, a high volume 7-foot board. In this video, this is my third surfboard, a SOLD LHP 9'2" longboard with 3 fins to help you turn. I even have a skimboard for those flat summer days. I have really enjoyed experimenting with different boards this year. This longboard is easier to catch waves on, and I hope to catch waves earlier while they're still unbroken. I can still practice turns on it, and one day I hope to start cross-stepping and even nose riding. I found that the secret to surfing is to making sure that you're enjoying yourself at whatever level you're surfing at. I always try to have a big smile on my face when I'm out there. And I'm always trying new things and trying not to be afraid of failing, whether I nosedive or slip on the board or fail to catch a wave. I'm also always trying to surf with friends as much as possible so that we can encourage each other to get out there and surf. In Boston in the winter, there are a lot of swells due to the Noreasters. It is cold then, but I had a thick 5mm wetsuit with a hood, gloves, and boots. In this video, it's June now with 1 to 2 foot waves and a moderate cross-shore winds. And I finally got to surf with my summer wetsuit without gloves or boots. It felt good to feel the surface of the board with my hands and feet. It's a different feeling, and it has more direct contact with the surfboard. I was able to catch several unbroken waves, and I was able to trim to the left and to the right. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. This video is part of my surfing progression series. You'll see that on a playlist on YouTube. If you surf and have any tips, I'd love to hear them. Please share them in the comments below. Thanks a lot.